Hello everyone, welcome back to Triple X. If you are looking for the best handheld steamer for clothes to keep your outfit smooth and fresh without the hassle of a big ironing board, you are in the right place. Today, I am talking about a compact device that makes wrinkle removal quick and simple. Let me introduce you to the DBC Handheld Steamer for Clothes. Let's get started. The DBC Handheld Steamer for Clothes is built to deliver strong and fast performance. It comes with a powerful 1500-watt heating element. This means it heats up quickly and produces strong steam in a short time. You do not have to wait around for it to get ready. Once it is heated, the steam works effectively to relax fabric fibers and remove wrinkles with ease. Your clothes can look neat and ready in just minutes. What makes the DBC Handheld Steamer for Clothes even more useful is its dual-function design. It works not only as a garment steamer, but also as a clothing iron. This gives you more flexibility depending on the type of fabric you are handling. It also includes a detachable brush. The brush helps remove lint, pet hair, and dust from your clothes. It is also useful for items like curtains and upholstery, giving you more than just clothing care in one device. The water tank is another thoughtful feature. The DBC Handheld Steamer for Clothes has a 250 milliliter water tank that provides around 15 to 20 minutes of continuous steam. This allows you to steam several garments without stopping to refill. The tank is transparent, so you can easily see the water level. This helps you avoid sudden interruptions during use. Comfort and portability are key parts of its design. The DBC Handheld Steamer for Clothes has an ergonomic handheld shape that feels comfortable in your hand. It is lightweight and easy to carry, so you can move around freely while steaming. Its compact size also makes storage simple. You can keep it in a small space without clutter. Safety is also built into the device. The DBC Handheld Steamer for Clothes features an automatic shutoff function. If the water level gets too low or if the device becomes too hot, it shuts off automatically. This protects both you and your garments and gives you peace of mind while using it. Overall, the DBC Handheld Steamer for Clothes combines fast heating, strong steam output, dual functionality, a useful brush attachment, a large transparent water tank, and automatic safety features in one compact design. It makes fabric care easier, quicker, and more convenient. Wrinkles do not stand a chance. Check the price link in the description to learn more about the DBC Handheld Steamer for Clothes. Like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.